a warm one soft as breeze. All night the cold wind whistles by, winter bites my skin. Shivering, trembling, somehow, Mom, my sky journey begins. Oh mama dear, I'm freezing in the sky. Stitch me a coat or rent me one before the cold winds fly. His mother smiled and stroked his face. My darling moon so bright, may God protect you always, child, from magic, fear, or fright.
Winter is fine, I'd stitch you one, but tell me this, my dear, your shape keeps changing every day. You shrink, then reappear.
Oh little moon, how can I measure you? Some nights you're big, some nights you're small, some nights you hide from view. So tell me, dear, which day should I take your size and sew a coat that fits you every night, through waxing and through glow?
Thanks for watching Papa TV. Do subscribe for more fun.